Pluto is a planet because planet is a word of mysticism that predates science, and a handful of technocrats don't get to take astrology's words and redefine them to make your own words. Planet is just a heavenly body orbiting the sun. Is a comet a planet? I'd say no, but when is a puddle a pond? It's up to you, not math. This is the difference between mystic words and scientific ones. Get this, I agree. I mean, not with the whole vibe, but words do mean what they mean to you. And as long as you're consistent, that's fine. If a planet is a thing going around a star to you, then Pluto's a planet. If a planet is a thing that's going around the star that has enough gravity to form it into a sphere, or as they say, hydrostatic equilibrium. Why do we say hydrostatic equilibrium? Haumea is why. This is why. Because that's not a sphere, is it? It's at hydrostatic equilibrium, though, because its gravity has formed it into the shape that it would be given that it spins so dang fast. And so we have to say hydrostatic equilibrium instead of sphere. And I guess we would have to say that anyway because even the Earth isn't really a sphere because it spins a little bit, so it is a little bit wider in the middle. Like, because it's middle-aged. But it's so interesting that in here you say, is the comet a planet? I would say no. So you're saying there that, like, it isn't clear. And what we want when we're trying to clearly describe the universe is specificity. But that's just for when scientists are using the word. We can call things different things, and we do all the time. We don't really do this with planets, but, like, we still use the word fish, even though there isn't, like, a phylogenetic category of fish. We still call a palm tree a tree, even though it's not taxonomically very related to an oak tree. Like, we get to use words however we want to use them. You're right. I'm not on board with the mysticism stuff. I don't think this is a conversation about, like, math and science versus religion and spirituality. It's just a conversation about, like, having useful words and using them when they are useful. Tree is a useful word to have, even if it doesn't have a specific meaning in evolutionary biology. We agree.